Hello, everybody. Sorry, I'm a bit late. I said I was going to be here at 4:30 Eastern time, but I'm on vacation and I was sitting on the beach and I just could not be sitting on the beach anymore. So I'm in the Grand Cayman for our Women Physicians Wellness Conference. It's been really awesome. Been really enjoying my time here. And then I got on here and Facebook is like being all weird. And anyway, it took me like 5 minutes to figure out what the new live thing is all about. So anyway, here we are. Hi, Anastasia. So today we are going to have a little bit of a treat. I am going to show you how you can make your feet feel amazing in less than 5 minutes with one of my favorite tricks. And before I dive in, while we wait for a couple other people to join, hi, Cynthia. For those of you who don't know me, and while I get some more people to hop in, let me introduce myself a little bit better. I'm Dr. Heather Hammerstedt. I help women cut through the BS around weight and nutrition and to find out the what and the when to eat and the mindset around their value and their story around who they are in the world and how food plays into that. Really, my goal is to get people to real sustainable long-term health with the side effect of weight wellness, doing and using the evidence of lifestyle medicine and neuroplasticity. So if you want to hop on a life-changing call with me to talk about your specific situation, I'll drop something into the comments here so that you can do that. If you're watching, please say hello, say live, so that I know that I'm not all by myself. And if you're watching the replay, write replay. So let's get to it, okay? So when your feet feel better, everything in your body seems to feel and move better. I know that there's lots of ancient kind of Chinese and Ayurvedic traditions that talk about, you know, the meridians that end in the bottom of our feet, the energy that's in our feet. I'm sure Coach Jenny, who is one of our mindset coaches, can talk about this for sure. Hi, Patricia. So you're absolutely going to love this so much that you might become a little addicted to it. So here's something to think about. Your feet work so hard for you all day, every day, right? We tend to take them for granted. And if your feet aren't moving freely and flexibly, that can set off a chain reaction that travels the whole way up your whole body. This mini foot routine can be done any time of the day after your workout or whenever you have a few minutes to spare, even when you're watching TV or if you're at the office or at work. And all you need is a golf ball or a lacrosse ball or a tennis ball. I use this like little emoji ball that my kinesiologist gave me. And this thing is really amazing for so many things besides just this. Like you can get it into like that part of your scapula and all sorts of things. Hi, Allie. But anyway, you just need a ball, okay? So this works best if you do it on the floor that isn't too slippery, like on a rug, you know, exercise or yoga mat. And if you have balance issues or if you find it hard to stand on one foot, you may want to do this standing next to a wall or even on a chair. So here's how it works. You put the ball or like a bar, even you can use a bar on the floor and stand up or sit up straight and gently place the heel of your foot like this. I was trying to figure out how I was going to do this, like standing and demonstrating, but I'd probably like fall over. Gently place the heel of your foot on top of the ball and then slowly roll up through the arch. So pretend this is the arch of your foot to the ball of your foot. And then like roll around and feel like any tender spots or areas that feel really uncomfortable. And you can go, you know, from hi, Doc Nancy. You can roll around and you can go from front to back, side to side, whatever feels right for your foot. This is a really good way to kind of get at, you know, all of those spots that have been holding you up all day and giving you your base so that you can show up in the world a little bit stronger. I'm sure, like I said, Coach Jenny and a bunch of other mindset coaches could talk a ton about kind of how that works energetically. Spots. When you find a spot on your foot that feels tight or tender, you just pause on that area and adjust the pressure if you need to. You want to wait until the tender area relaxes and loosens up a bit. And you can also try gently rolling back and forth over it to help break up any adhesions or tightness there. And you can hold it for a few seconds or even up to a minute. And when you're done on one foot, you switch to the other foot and you repeat. And voila, you're almost done. Your feet will feel relaxed and energized at the same time. If you run or wear heels or walk or stand a lot for work, you might be amazed at how just a few minutes can totally change how you feel. Try doing this routine on a regular basis and you'll notice that those tender spots aren't so tender anymore. You might even notice changes in how your body moves and feels in general. And are you up for giving it a try today or in the next couple of days? Let me know in the comments if that works. You know, like I said, these balls are really great for a lot of different things. They can get into spots that you can't really get in other ways. So another one that's really good is like right here, kind of in the glutes, like in those deeper piriformis muscles that are down there, or again, around that scapula and the back of your shoulder. So if you want help with mobility and recovery, I have another option for you. I have a new ebook that I'm announcing just for you. What else can help you get the knots out of your muscles, improve flexibility, help reduce muscle soreness and pain? It's like having a massage with a therapist whose hands never get tired. It's a foam roller, right? Foam rollers are pretty magical when it comes to their benefits, and they're super simple to use once you know the basics. And that's why I created this brand new ebook. It's called Foam Rolling, the Complete Beginner's Guide, because I know that when I was first getting into this like a handful of years ago, I was a little intimidated by it. I was like, what am I supposed to do? Just like lay on it and like flop around, right? So I created this beginner's guide. You can get it right now as my gift for you for all of your support. I'm so thankful for my Curate Your Health tribe. If you want this free ebook, drop the word foam in the comments, and I or Tamber, who is my client success director, will send it right over to you. So the foam rolling guide is an illustrated ebook that shows you in simple terms, number one, how to use a foam roller that's right for you. Number two, easy tips for incorporating it into your routine. The third, exercises. I'm like, three? This isn't three. Exercises to target common trouble spots and more. So foam rolling is a relatively new form of self-massage that is designed to work out the adhesions, like the knots that sort of build up in and around your muscles. We talked about doing it in the feet. This is how you get at all the other spots in your body. We've all got them. It happens whenever you hold a certain position too long, like sitting or standing, or if you're engaging in repetitive motions like running or other exercise like that. Doc Nancy is a sports medicine doc, and she says she recommends using massage balls to all of her patients. That's good to know. Chances are with this foam roller that you're going to notice results pretty immediately. So the best thing is, and the more you use it, the better results you're going to feel. Most people even report a decrease in pain after using the foam roller. Those of you that are exercisers that go in kind of a front and forward motion a lot, you're going to notice those IT band problems. Foam rollers are exceptional for that. The other thing that foam rolling can really help is to improve your circulation, boost your performance, help your muscles recover faster from workouts by speeding up that healing process. So pretty amazing, right? So again, if you want this free ebook, drop the word foam in the comments so I can send it right over to you. Taking just a few minutes to tune into your body and how it's feeling can make a huge difference in the long run. So if you like this video, please give me a like or a heart and let me know. I always love your feedback. Certainly send me any messages by private message or in the comments here or in a post about something that you want to learn about. Again, I'm a lifestyle medicine physician, so I am an expert in helping people with their food, with their weight, with their nutrition, with their exercise, with their mindfulness, with their mindset, with sleep, all sorts of things. So let me know what you want to know, and I'm here for you. And again, dropped that ability to hop on the phone with me into those comments for a life-changing strategy call around getting to your weight wellness, the body and mind you deserve, around who you are in the world, how you show up, and what you want the world to see you as. So we'll talk to you soon, okay? Cheers, guys.